In this video, you'll learn how to launch digital products using Stan's Store. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a product, adding it to your store, setting a price and description, publishing it, and promoting your launch effectively. To begin, navigate to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you are on the main page, locate the option labeled My Store. This is typically found in the sidebar of the interface. Click on My Store to access your store management area. Next, look for the button labeled Plus Add Product. This button is generally positioned prominently on the page. Click on Plus Add Product to start the process of adding a new item to your store. After clicking, you will see options to choose the type of product you want to create. Select the option for digital product from the available choices. This option allows you to upload files such as ebooks, templates, or guides. Once you choose this option, you will be prompted to upload your digital file. Click on the designated area to browse your computer for the file you wish to add and select it. Be mindful of the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After the file uploads successfully, you will be directed to a new screen where you can set the price and write a description for your product. Enter a clear and concise description that outlines what the product offers and any relevant details. Specify your desired price in the price field. Ensure that the price reflects the value of the product you are offering. Once you have completed the price and description fields, look for the button labeled Publish. This button usually appears at the bottom of the page. Click on Publish to make your product available for purchase. After publishing, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your product is now live in your store. To effectively promote your launch, share your store link on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Posting engaging content that highlights your product can attract potential buyers and increase visibility. Make sure to use relevant hashtags and encourage your audience to check out your store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.